back to my channel. I know, long time no see. Excuse the mess behind me and the dog. It's not my dog. I'm going to try my hardest to record me customizing this wig. I'm not a wig professional. I honestly really don't care for frontal wigs, to be honest, because I just feel like they require too much. I just rather give me a closure and call it a day. ISeeHair actually sent me this hair, so thank you. Super blessed for that. But yeah, they sent me this hair. I'm gonna have the link down below. Wait. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I literally just got it, so this is straight out the package. I've literally done nothing to it. Once again, this is what it came in. This is the box that they sent me it in. And it just comes with this pamphlet, you know, just the thank you pamphlet, as well as it came in this bag. So again, I'm not sure if this is just kind of like a Remy blend or what, but it's just, this is what it came in. So hair texture straight, a 10-inch. And I usually, if you guys seen my past hair videos, I order from ISeeHair quite often. So very thankful that they actually sent me this wig this time. But yes, so this is what the wig looks like. It's 10 inches once again, and it's kind of like a bob concept. And then they advertise that it's pre-plucked. So I'm just going to show you guys what I'm looking at. I mean, yeah, I'm bleaching the knots and I'm plucking, so to each his own. But yeah, and this is the lace, and I am a brown skin tone. Don't really know what to classify myself as, but I'm brown, so that's the lace what it looks like on someone my color. Going to try my hardest once again to record me bleaching these knots, because as y'all can see, I don't like them. I don't like them. So yeah, so let's get started. As you guys can see, I'm in my kitchen and I'm using this BW2 extra strength powder, and then as my developer I'm using just the 40 cream. This is the only one I had left, so that's what I'm using. And I'm gonna monitor it because I feel like I should be using 20, not 40. But like I said, what can you do?
Are you walking like that? Why am I attracted to the same things? I don't wanna be like that. I don't wanna be like that. Why am I attracted to the same things? I don't wanna be like that. I don't wanna be like that. You hit the road, don't stop.
And I'm just lightly gonna scrape it on there. I don't want it to get on the hair.
You hit the road, don't stop. Run and run until you drop. So burn to the track. Ran one lap, it was 10 fast.
Okay, y'all, so I ended up putting a little bit of aluminum foil over it just to speed up the process, but this has been about like 15 minutes. And as you can see, I'm impatient, so I'm about to rinse it out, but you can see the main parts I usually always care about is the top, like where you blend the lace. We'll try to, because I'm not a frontal expert. I'm gonna keep saying that I'm not a frontal expert. But I think it did pretty well. So let's go over here and rinse it out. And I'm just gonna try to do this without getting the entire thing wet, because I don't really feel like waiting for it to dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the hair and try my hardest to rinse this out without getting the whole head wet.
Finna run late till the lanes run out. I ain't bound now till the flag comes down. I ain't taking out till the ice runs down. Finna run track like I'm both to it out. Ain't no high school musical. Ain't no way so gossip girl. Run, 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 run. Take it all in for the check comes. Yeah. Hey, why am I attracted to?
Okay, so I decided to bleach his hair. So what I'm gonna do is I just always put a bag over my head, because I don't know, I'm just lazy and I never have gloves at the right time apparently. So the way I want it is I kind of want to keep a lot of the black, but I want to make the front a little bit more lighter, and then little bits of like a highlighted stuff at, look at the bottom. So I'm going to start with the lightest part that I want. Same developer, honestly, that I've already used. So since I want this to be the lightest, I'm starting with this first. And I just do that, to be honest. I really have no technique whenever I bleach hair. I just kind of do what works for me. But I don't really want too much on the roots because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna be careful. That's the only bad thing about this is I really don't have, I have control, but not a lot. And then the remaining, like I said, I kind of just want it throughout by still with, while still keeping the black look. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and yeah. And this part I don't really care too much about in terms of color. Like I want it to be blonde, but it doesn't have to be like blonde, if that makes sense. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look that I got. Let me tell you a story about this. This is not really what I was going for. Dyeing this was really hard. I'm not sure if it was my fault or the hair's fault. But this took me 3 tries, y'all. And it's never, I've bleached hair before. It's never taken me 3 tries. So I'm not sure if, I don't know. I really don't know. But however, this is kind of the look that I got. It's showing up a little bit more red on camera, but it is more of a really soft brown color. And then underneath, it got a little brassy. But overall, I really like it. I think it's a beautiful fall color. It complements my skin. And I did try it on, but again, I'm not a frontal expert, so I'm gonna have to customize it. But yeah, this is kind of the color that I got. So I do really like how I faded it in very subtly. So I'll give you guys another view. So like I said, I wanted to keep it black, and then it just kind of goes into the blondish brown. So yeah, this is the final look. And in the back, I kind of have it a little higher, which I like. So I think I did pretty well. Comment below if you like it. I think it's a beautiful fall color. This is her after all that, y'all. And again, it's showing up a little bit more red on camera. I'm not sure why, but she is ready.
Take it all in for the check.